What's going on, man? It's your boy, man, who holds phones.
So basically what happened was I was trying to record the audio on my phone, but that obviously didn't happen. The tracks just weren't syncing. It was either too fast or too slow. So yeah. Soz. I know that the camera audio quality isn't that fantastic, and I am getting a new microphone soon, so until then, I'm sorry.
Okay, so for those of you who don't know, behind me is an RX7. Now this particular RX7 is the third generation of RX7. My goodness, it's gorgeous. Even more pretty than the camera. These things came with that beautiful wangle engine, or rotary engine. And this particular one has a built motor and it's making something like 260 working kilowatts per wheel. Although the owner is pretty sure that it's making 300 kilowatts. The reason for this is because it just kept on spinning on the dyno. So we're going to try it again some other time. It's also making 350 newton meters of torque, speak slower, my guy. It's also making 350 newton meters of torque, and it's running at about 0.9 bar push, which is pretty insane. Any rotary engine, really. Stop it! It's me. Shush. I'll fight you or your mom. Whoever pulls up first. So this isn't the stock Mazda RX-7 engine. In fact, it's got a Mazda Cosmo engine, which I know some of you guys might not be too happy about, but we don't care, to be honest. It's got a master power turbocharger, which is equal to a Garrett GT 4204 turbo, which is pretty nuts. Now, we all know that rotaries love doing something that you can pay certain people to do, and that's blowing apex seals. So this one has power seal apex seals, along with a Microtech LT9-C ECU, which is pretty swag. The rotors have also been balanced and lightened, so overall this car's a beast. Now, when you're pushing all that power, your boy clutch man likes to die on you sometimes. So this one has a quartermaster triple plate clutch and a lightened flywheel. Basically, it means when you shift, you don't end up going slower, but you end up going very fast. Let me tell you, as I'm sitting inside of it, I feel like I'm cocooned in a lap of luxury. This interior is all stock, but it's maintained so well. The seats are so soft. There's no flaws. Everything is just gorgeous. The only thing that's really different with the dashboard is that there's been a power tune thingy radio that's been put in. It looks great and it shows all the features. I'll put all the features here. Should be scrolling. Oh, that's interesting. Oh. Well, there you have it. That's all the features.
Now's the part in the video where I talk about how beautiful this car is. So the wheels are 18-inch XXR 527s, and the rears are 9.75Js, while the fronts are slightly smaller at 8.75J. There's also a set of ISC coilovers, and the brakes are the stock calipers with the EBC front disc and EBC yellow stuff pads front and back. Now, as you can see, this RX-7 is quite unique. There's a GT style rear wing and there's a Rocket Bunny diffuser. So the tail lamps are imported from Evo R, and I gotta say, it really makes the RX-7 unique. It's kind of Lambo style, or at least that's what Jacques was going for, and it really sets it apart from all the other RX-7s that are out there. Absolutely love this thing. From the moment I saw it, my jaw was on the floor, and even now editing this video, this car is still so beautiful. You guys will not understand the presence it commands on the road, and if you do happen to be lucky enough to come across it, I can almost guarantee that you will not miss this car. Unless you're blind, in which case I'm sorry. Now, just as she is absolutely fantastic to look at from the outside, the inside is pretty damn fantastic as well. It's actually quite surprising. Most of it is actually stock. Jacques did want to put in the Recaro seats, but they actually ended up adding weight to the car. Since the stock seats are so comfortable, I've sat inside them, my goodness. And they save weight. He just left the stock seats on, and in my opinion, that was such a great move. They're in such great condition. Yeah. You just gotta sit in it to know, man. You gotta sit in it to know. Along with the power tune touch panel, he's also fitted a 2-gauge pod on the dash that hosts a boost gauge and an AFR gauge. In short, this car is almost perfect. I can't find a flaw with it, except maybe the fuel economy. And now's the part where I get to live out my childhood dream and drive in fast cars.
Okay, so I don't know if you can hear a word I'm saying, and I'm sorry if I'm screaming, but it's loud as hell in the Brad box. We're going for a little drive around, just like last time, and I feel like a small child before a school trivia. I have no idea. You never get tired of that noise. Pretty sure there's like flames flying all behind this car.
Okay. You'll see on the back of the wing on the right hand side.
Yeah.
It will reflect.
Oh wow, okay.
Flames.
I'll see if I can try. Yeah, I think you're right. You don't really need a radio when your car sounds like this.
But if I do want a radio, when I go for the Rotrix,
Yeah.
there's gonna be a bar here. I bought one of those portable radios. It's got a clamp.
Oh, that's so
So then I'll
cool.
mount it here if I do want to use it.
That's never getting old. So, if you guys can see that, and you're wondering what that is, it's not the lights, because that's the underside of the wing. That's just flames. It's casual flamethrower car. So here's an interesting thing that you might know is, or might not know, is how to open an RX7 door, and this is like standard, right?
Yeah.
So I don't think I could see anything, to be honest. But there's like a little. Oh, there we go. Thank you so much. There's a little, but there's no handles or anything on the door, as you can see. There's nothing going on there. But there's this little button over here that you just pull back, and that's what actually opens the door. So yeah, it's just a. It's pretty cool.
I'm so tired. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. If you didn't enjoy something, let me know. Always looking for better content, so let me know. Jacques would like to thank Carol Stolz and Nathan Lismore from Rotrix for the engine build, as well as for Saturday's rise. I'm a bit upset that I wasn't invited, ever. But then again, my mom didn't even invite me to my own birthday parties, so... Jacques would also like to thank Pretoria from SPS Racing for the sticker sponsors, and last but not least Marcus Ippy for the power tune unit and all of his efforts to actually make it work. Something to stay tuned for is that the RX7 may get a chassis mounted rear wing, which could look pretty cool. If you don't know what that looks like, I'll throw a picture here. And yeah, once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what I can do better. Let me know what car you'd like to see, and perhaps if you have a car, you could show it to me. Hit me up. And as always, stay tuned for the bloopers. Oh, I'm getting too old for this. Guys. My heart. Wow. Okay, bye.